Good morning. Good morning. I hope everyone is doing well because I certainly am. I am doing well. I have a late appointment this afternoon, and so I know that I needed to shampoo my hair, so I'm braiding and banding. And I put a lot of braids in my hair because I'm going to let it stay overnight and take it out in the morning. I'm going to take these braids down in the morning for a braid out because I'm going for my retightening tomorrow. But I wanted to come in and show you something. But before I show you that, I want to say thank you. Thank you, subscribers, for all that you do. I appreciate you, and I hope you realize just how much. For those of you that have not subscribed to this channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll know every time I upload a video. I appreciate you so much, so go ahead, click the subscribe button and the notification bell and become a part of the Gene G family. Now, this is what I wanted to show you and talk to you about. Your Sisterlocks. And even though you take very good care of it, sometimes things will happen to your locks individually. In the case of the lock that I showed you a couple weeks ago, and I reinforced it, and I'm going to go try to find it. I can pull these down, and I know that it is the shortest one. I thought it was right in the front, but it is the shortest one. So let's see. Is this it? You guys, it is not the shortest one. It is wonderful that it's really difficult to find it, which means it blends in well. I have retightened it at least one time since then. This is it. And I can tell that this is the one. And it's already starting to try to marry right in here with the other one. And I'm going to carefully take that apart. Mind you, I pay attention to this all the time. And yet, it does what it does. So this is that lock, and it is still hanging in there. And I go tomorrow for my retightening. I just want you to know that it is still there, and it is the shortest lock. It stops right here. Yes. But I wanted you to know that it's still hanging in there. And as I braid and band this lock, I try to make sure that I don't pull it too hard, but I want to make sure that it's inside of the braid. So it is now inside of the braid. I'm going to braid and band this one. And notice that in my banding, I band more than one braid together. It's just less work that way. And besides, you know, I just want a nice braid out tomorrow. I want my hair to look special after the braiding and banding in a nice braid out. And then after the retightening, that some of my waves will remain in my hair. That's the purpose of the smaller braids. The smaller the braid, the tinier the curls. And I like that. And so that's what I am looking for in this process. And I wanted to come in and let you see what I'm doing and what I'm preparing for. And in my next video, I will give you an update on my locks. Have a great day. This is a sister who loves her locks. I love my friends, my family, my subscribers, and my followers. But I especially love God because He's been so good to me. Yes, He has. And I am so grateful for all that He's done. Enjoy your day. My 360 of my braided and banded hair.